Digital twins are for us really important because it gives us insights in things we can't see or didn't see in the past. In a production environment, you're not willing to stop your production, your real production, because this is what makes the money. So, and having a digital twin, you can try out different scenarios, answer different questions your stakeholders have here at this point, and it makes it so unique and so important to integrate it into today's production planning.
And as you say, the key is the simulation, the ability to try things out. What if I do it this way, I lay it out that way, even simulating the movement of the most optimum way of having 3 robots working in the same space, right?
Yeah.
What role do digital twins play for sustainability?
A really important one. So coming back to production planning, let's say, usually you're looking on your costs, on your time, and on the quality when you're planning your production system. I'll give you a detailed example. So what we're doing. So you see here all the HEVs passing by. So we're trying right now out what's the best way to control them, maybe to charge them. When we're having solar panels on the roof, so maybe we can adapt another controls for our charging behavior of the HEVs. So which makes you in sustainability much more, let's call it efficient in the end.
A whole different angle. Now, you've accomplished so much here already. What's next?
What's next? Of course, we're here at Electronics Factory Erlangen, and there's one answer on this question, which is the industrial metaverse. This is the next level, what we want to achieve. But nevertheless, we're continuing our current path, which we've been going in the recent years. So for us, there is not much change in the streams, let's call it. So like for me, a plant simulation expert, so we're doing all the things like democratization of material flow simulation. So bring it brighter, bring more real data from the shop floor, prepare them, and bring them into our digital models. So our streams will continue, but with the industrial metaverse, they will connect with each other, and then we will have this immersive, collaborative environment, which we're all looking for.